Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna discuss how you can add signature to your PDF file and many more PDF tools that you can use while working with the PDF files. So first of all I will discuss how you can use your signature in a PDF file, how you can add signature. For that you have to use PDF24 tools website. So go to the PDF24 tools and here you can see there are so many tools available. So first of all let's sign PDF files. So let's add signature to the PDF file. So just click on here and here just select on choose file, and even you can download the desktop version of this software and choose file. So choose PDF file. So for example this is the random PDF file that I have created. So just click on this file and you can see the file has been uploaded and just a random file, and I want to add signature to this PDF file and then I want to download this PDF file. So here you can see the option add a signature. So just click on here add a signature, and when you click on add a signature you can see the plus button. So you can add signature from here. Either you can draw the signature or you can upload the signature, or you can use camera to capture your signature. So if you click on draw you can draw the signature. For example this is the signature that I can draw, or for example you can draw any signature. Or if you want to upload the signature just click on upload signature as picture. So click on upload, and this is the signature that are used for only this demo purpose. So you can change the color, you can set that set its brightness. Okay, so just click on tick your signature and then click on this button, and you can see the signature. You can resize the signature and then you can drag this to anywhere. So this is the signature that I have uploaded on my PDF file. And if you want to add another signature you can add signature, and you can add more signature from here, or you can draw any signature, and you can click on any signature you want to add to your document. So for example this is the another signature that I can use on my document. And after uh, adding the signature you have to download the file. So just click on this save PDF button. So when you click on save PDF button it will take some time, and then you can download, or you can either send via email, or you can add to the Dropbox, and there are so many options available. So click on download. So just wait. So now the file has been downloaded, and let me show you the file, and you can see the signatures has been added to my PDF file. So it's very easy and useful tutorial that you can use. And now I am going to explain some more tools that you can use with this website. So just click on all tools and you can see the plenty of PDF tools that you can use. You can merge PDF files into a single PDF, you can split the PDF, you can compress PDF, you can edit PDF. So it's a very useful tool to edit PDF files online. You can convert the PDFs. So there are so many tools that you can use. Even you can extract the pages from the PDF file, and you can remove the PDF pages. Sometimes there are some more pages in the PDF file and you want to remove some pages. You can add page number, you can add watermark. So many options are available in this website, and you can see even you can convert any file to the PDF file, and you can convert any file from the PDF file. You can see PDF to Excel, PDF to JPG. So this website is very useful. So in this tutorial I have discussed only how you can add signature to the PDF file and try to use other tools. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.